Welcome, this is Jeff from the Watkins Tree Farm. How are you guys? What do we got here? It is a pressure washer. Funny story, ever since we moved to the country back in 2010, my wife has wanted a pressure washer, especially for the cars. Since we're on the road all the time and they're always dirty, we can at least get that mud and dirt off at the house. 10 years later, we finally got a pressure washer. This happens to be an electric one. I was sitting at the store today, didn't quite know what to do, and the first place I'm going to use this is inside this shed. We're trying to get it clean. In the past, some owls have made this their home, and the rafters tend to have a little streaks of white all over them, so we're going to go in there and give them a nice clean. And since we're inside the shed, I thought twice about having the little two-stroke engine. Plus, I don't know, that's just another engine to work on here at the farm. We got plenty of them, and electric just seemed the way to go. 2200 PSI, 1.7 gallons per minute. It seems like a powerful little guy. It's a MASTERFORCE. Let's check it out. Hey guys, real quick, I just wanted to tell you, if you want to skip the unboxing, go to about 5 minutes and 10 seconds. And then we have some bonus footage at the end. I'll be power washing some of my truck and showing that. Thank you guys, take care. Looks like assembly required. This looks like the bottle that you can put soap in so you can wash your car. Big old wheels. This is the part of the cart. More parts for the cart. Looks like I got some nozzles. Put those over there. Wheel. Another thing that sold me on this was it's got a 25-foot hose for the pressure washer and a 35-foot electrical cord. So that seems like I can almost keep it on the ground, extend it across the building, and still shoot the rafters, not having to get all the way to the top of the ladder. I'm still going to get wet. Here's the actual wand. This direction. Here's the gun. That's the gun. That looks pretty good. Pretty compact. I'm pretty happy so far. The gun goes in here like that. These are different nozzles. This goes in here like that. And you take these. Just put them in here like this. So the yellow is 15 degrees, the green is 25 degrees, and the black is 65 degrees. So obviously it's the evening and I'm shooting this, putting it together, getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll fire this up and I'll take you guys along and video how it performs, and we'll clean all these rafters in here, and at the end of the video I'll give a review on what I think of this pressure washer. As of right now, I feel like it's good quality, heavy duty plastic where there's plastic, and then heavy duty steel where there's steel, and it seems like a good product, and looking forward to using it tomorrow. first impressions are good. The very first impression, I was like, what the heck? It would compress the water and then it'd stop, and then compress the water and then it would stop. I don't know if you guys could see that in the video, but I think it was just getting the air out of the line, because after 2 or 3 minutes it was constant pressure all the time, and I think it's doing a really good job. The proof's in the pudding. It's a nice smell of cedar. They built this shed right, so I got to be careful on how close I get it to the wood, but I'm not too worried. It's clear up in the rafters. Who's going to look up there? We're going to get it clean. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of me unboxing the MASTERFORCE X2200 and then using it. For the most part, I am very happy. Some features I like about it: the whole unit itself is light, the wand is light, and as you guys could see in the video, I was able to use the wand with one hand. I'm not too sore. I'm mainly sore from moving that big old ladder. I'm very happy about the pressure washer. As I was doing it this morning, one thing I thought of is, with a 2-stroke motor, or the motor driven pressure washers, it's loud, and I didn't have to deal with that noise in the shed this morning. When you let go of the wand, everything is quiet, and then you don't hear the little electric motor until you pull that trigger again. So that was one feature I really liked, and so very happy. The shed looks so much better. We'll probably go in there and do some more to it. We're getting there, guys. Closer and closer. We are, what are we, 2 months away? A little less than 2 months. Today's October 1st, so whew, here we go. I thank you guys for checking into the channel today. I hope you got something out of this video. You guys take care, God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.